Myself, Dr. Shivakant Pathak, is going to take one more topic in front of you, that is dielectric polarization of matter. This topic is also known as by name dielectric in electric field, capital E. To understand this topic, you are advised that you see the topic and explanation very carefully and slowly. By this, you can understand the fundamentals of polarization of a dielectric. See the word polarization of dielectric. So, let us see the concept. In the previous lecture, I have told to you, when dielectric placed in electric field, electrical properties shown. When a dielectric is placed in electric field, shows electrical properties. This electrical properties is also known as electrical effects. Today we will see what is the electrical effect and how this electrical effects explains the phenomena of polarization. I will explain these total things by taking polar dielectric in electric field. So we are knowing that there are two types of dielectric, polar and non-polar. I am going to explain by taking polar dielectric in electric field. By this, we will explain the phenomena of polarization. See what is this. Now see what is the polar dielectric. Polar dielectric see in the box I am explaining the concept of polar dielectric. This explanation is in when electric field is a zero. When it is placed in no electric field is present. Electric field is E is equal to 0 means no electric field. If you have remember, I have told to, in polar dielectric all molecules have a dipole moment. See, one of the dipole moment here is given, this negative and here positive. Another dipole moment in this side, positive, negative, negative, positive here. This positive here, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, positive, negative, negative, positive, positive, negative. We are knowing that in polar dielectric, every molecule have a dipole moment. This dipole moment is in the direction of negative to positive, right? So individual, see carefully, individual molecule have dipole moment. Dipole moment. See carefully. But in assembly, in absence of electric field, they are settled in such a way all dipole moment is a zero. Net dipole moment is a zero. They are oriented in the natural configuration of the polar dielectric are in this way. But the same thing Cu when it is placed within electric field. This electric field is produced by two plates using in one equal positive charge and in another equal negative charge. Let us consider in this the dipole is placed. Within electric field. See, due to this parallel plate, let electric field from positive to negative is E. See all the direction very carefully, and potential difference is capital B. Now see carefully what happened inside this dielectric material. In this dielectric material, all the dipoles, here electric field is greater than 0. See very carefully, it means dielectric is placed in an electric field. It means, now see, each dipole reorient. What happened? Reorient. How this reorient? See very carefully. Since this has a negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, in this way. This all dipoles reorient. They changes their orientation. All, see carefully, all dipoles reorient. See the word reorient along E. Right? As a result, a dipole moment is set up along external electric field. We are knowing dipole moment is from negative to positive. See very carefully. So net dipole moment P is equal to summation Pi, where I is equal to N to N, or we may say dipole moment is greater than 0. Here E is 0, net dipole moment is 0. So what setup? What produces dipole moment? As a result, see very carefully, as a result, internal electric field is set up. This internal electric field is E0. So internal electric field is set up. See the word very carefully. Electric field is set up. This electric field is called internal E0. E0 is set up. Now see its tendency to, now see here, an internal electric field is set up in this direction E0. E0 is in this direction. Since vector quantity, so its tendency to reduce the value of external, to decrease, its tendency to decrease the electric field E. Now see carefully, external electric field, null electric field E. So resultant electric field E dash is equal to E minus E naught. This is called electrical properties modified. This phenomena is called polarization. So reorient, keeping the electric field before the electric force, they are a random distribution in such a way that net dipole moment is 0. Although individual dipole have their dipole moment, but they are distributed in such a way net dipole moment is 0. But what happened when they are placed in electric field, the dipole reorient means they are changing their directions. Direction of what? Direction of their dipole moment P along E. Remember the word P along E. Dipole moment reorient along this. As a result, internal electric field E naught is set up, whose tendency is reduced to. So herein, when this electrical property modify means, this is also called electric field decreases within dielectric. See in the box, very important line. What is this? Electric field decreases within the dielectric. If electric field decreases, this implies that potential difference also decreases. Why potential difference is also decreases? Let it is a distance size of it. So we are knowing that electric field intensity is negative of potential gradient. So here R means D is a constant. If V decreases, E decreases, E modified, this electric field modified. So potential difference between the plate decreases, electric field decreases. Why this is? Here see very carefully. So electrical energy is utilized to reorient the dipole. It means energy, electrical, see very carefully, electrical energy utilized to reorient dipole along E, right? And it stores this energy, stores within dielectric. So this energy is stored in the dielectric, in the capacitor. See parallel plate capacitor, and between this it is called the capacitor. So electrical energy stores. In that condition, under these circumstances, see the important results. Let ratio of external electric field to internal electric field E naught is greater than is, so E by E naught is equal to potential difference between the plate without dielectric is equal to with the dielectric. This is, since Q is equal to CV, this is equal to capacitance without dielectric with capacitance with the dielectric. Remember this formula. E is electric field. So these are the formula relations here in it. So E by E, this total is greater than 1. This implies that C is greater than C naught. Oh, okay, this is C naught by C. This is greater than C naught is greater than C. It means capacitance, when a dielectric is placed between a parallel plate capacitor, its electrical property modified, right? The electric field within the field decreases, potential difference decreases, potential energy stores due to the orientation on the surface of a dipole. It means you can say that the dielectric get polarized, electrical energy stored, so its capacity to store the charge increases. That is why C naught is shown here greater than this. The ratio of this is called dielectric constant, where K is known as dielectric constant. So when it is filled, this is also equal to permittivity of medium to permittivity of free space in the case. So this is for today. Thank you and have a nice day.